I'm Chandrashekar. I'm the Managing Director and CEO of GMMCO Limited. We have been representing Caterpillar for over 40 years now in the country. We serve Caterpillar businesses in construction, resource industries, power and energy sectors. Then we offer complete solutions to customer. We sell equipments, support equipments, we buy back equipments, we trade in with equipments. We have a rental and use vertical which supplies rental machines and rent to sell options. And then we have Caterpillar Finance, which can help customers fund their equipments. We make tailor-made solutions, product support solutions to our customer, depending on the project site. We can have parts at site, service at site, and our whole aim is to support the customers to make them execute the projects effectively, efficiently, on time, within cost. We launched 3 excavators in the 20-ton class category, 321, 322 and 324. And we already have 20-ton excavators in the country. And then these excavators are now operating with the various customers of ours. Idea was we had a lot of feedbacks from the customers on the bucket size, power, wanting Caterpillar engines. So we listened to them. We modified the excavators. All these 3 excavators come with Caterpillar engines and then larger bucket sizes, lower fuel consumptions. So there are a lot of technologies Caterpillar is coming with on the product. They are exploring hydrogen. They're exploring electric excavators, battery operated dump trucks. So, but these needs to be proven and has to have the right economics for the customer to go in with. But the first thing is, how do we make equipment more fuel efficient? That's the first step towards going green. So that's what we are focused on. All our equipments which are deployed in this country and which Caterpillar is introducing, all are highly fuel efficient. 26, it's good. Like the first half was a bit slow. As you know, there was war between India and Pakistan and extended monsoons. But the business was slow. But for us in particular, it was very good. We could grow the excavator business almost 30% year on year, despite the market being down. And then we see the second half to be better. A lot of mining contracts are being awarded. Road construction companies are planning to do well. So I think we have a good future in the second half. I'll not be able to say the numbers to you, but I can assure you that GMMCO is planning to grow on revenue 20% year on year.
So 26, what are your major focus areas?
Always the focus for us has been customers always, right? Look at what the customer needs, provide solutions to him. And then so we put our heart and soul into the business. And my biggest strength is my team. I have a wonderful team with me. Excellent team, highly committed, highly focused, fully charged up, and working towards solutions to the customer. So we find what the customer needs and tailor entire solution to meet his requirement. We are not a company which sells product and parts, but we provide solutions to customers. Power and energy is doing extremely well. A lot of data center business. Data centers are being established by large companies like Google, Microsoft. We supply a lot of backup gensets to that business. That business is doing well. And then we have oil and gas doing well, marine doing well. Even the mining industry, which was bit down, we started looking up. Construction business also should pick up. So overall, I think construction, mining, energy and transportation, which is now we call it power and energy, all that should do well. Because a wide range of portfolio of products that helps us grow the business every year. We'll be launching some service program tomorrow, which I cannot tell you today, but definitely we are launching it tomorrow. Definitely, our aim is how do we provide solution to customer? How do we increase the uptime of equipment to the customer so that he utilizes the equipment to the maximum possible extent and then he makes money. A lot of things are being tried like CNG, hydrogen, battery, but is it cost-wise economical to the customer in the long run? Because a lot of companies, a lot of industries are trying something, but Caterpillar is one organization which will introduce everything after it's tested, tried and proven. It is not going to be tested with the customer. Launch a battery operated truck, battery operated excavator, send it to the customer side and we'll figure it out in the course of time. That never happens because there is a new product introduction program. We go through it, field trials, provenness, when things don't work well, correct it and make it right and then supply. So any new product introduction from Caterpillar takes its time because we don't test the product with the customer. We test the product before it is given to the customer. Caterpillar was the first to introduce automated trucks. There are more than 800 automated trucks working across the world, and then this was introduced somewhere in 1990s. So that's a good one. Like so, We have large mining trucks which can work on automation, driverless, and we also supply 3 dozers to a leading customer, Adani. These are 850 horsepower dozers, where 3 dozers can be remotely operated by one single person sitting some 30-40 kilometers away. And then so that's one thing that is called semi-autonomous tractor system. Such we have supplied, Adani has tried this. So automation is on the cards. The mine should be conducive, customers should be willing to try, because many times large companies have the problem of providing employment also, because like we cannot say, okay, this company all automation, no employees required, because like we have a lot of people, we need to generate employment to people also, we need to balance both automation as well as employment. So automation is there for a long time.